It is another season for grace. Fountain of Liberty Ministry International, Cameroon region, present to you her 2022 fifth anniversary. Caption: Grace for Good Work. Grace for Good Work. Grace for Good Work. Host: Apostle and Pastor Mrs. Solang Ndam. Ministering: Apostle O.E. Fire, Papa Ngeng. Date: Saturday 26th to Monday 28th November 2022. Time: 5 p.m. evening section and 9 a.m. morning section. Venue: Former Faith Bilingual School Auditorium. For further inquiry, call this number: +237 682 411315. Come and experience the divine power of God at work as you go confused with multiple grace.